Jodhpur and Abhinav Birala provide services to Jagatpur area. The criteria for opening a fire station is the number of incidents of outbreak of fire it should be between 10 to 15 per year on an average. Number two is no fire station being available for over 30 kilometers from such locations. So, Jagatpur is well covered, and if there is a need, we carry out a survey and appropriate action will be taken by the department.
I don't care. I'm not telling you. I am requesting you. Go to a seat. Question. Hello. Other two. Here's the question answer. You go to a seat. आज फने आलोचना अच्छी आज फने आलोचना अच्छी आप आलोचना करें एक गृह जिन 11:23 बनता बनते